Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video I will teach you guys on how to display the present date in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching all my videos, leaving a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, likes, dislikes, and suggestions. I really appreciate your support in my channel. So let's get started. So we have here library file in C, stdio.h for input output, and then we have here time.h. By the way, I'm using dev C++ now in writing this program, and then we have here a couple of comments here. Yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maed IT MIT, and then my two websites where you can download free source code, jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. And then if you want to contact me in farmer services in computer programming, IT consultancy, software development, software engineering consultancy, you can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Here I declare constant car month pointer month underscore names, and then I have here series of months from January up to December. Int main time underscore, and then we create an object here now time. This time belongs to time.h header file in C. Structure or record tm pointer day local time now, and then we have here the title present date in C. We have here a couple of new lines, escape sequence character in C, date, string for the month, decimal for the day, and decimal for the year. Month underscore names, day, pointing to tm underscore month, day, pointing to tm underscore m day, pointing to tm underscore year plus 1900, and then new line and end of program, and return and close RC program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description so that you can download this complete source code. Let us run the program so that we can see the result. So the current date is January 12, 2022. End of program, present date in C. So in my computer, if I will open here, we have here January 12, 2022. I'm using Windows 10. So the date here based on the BIOS of my laptop computer, which I'm using right now. I'm using Dell Latitude. Okay, so here we go guys. We have already done creating present date display in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and then if you're new, please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I try my best to upload videos frequently in a week, so don't miss my newly uploaded videos in my channel. Thank you very much in advance. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake from the Philippines saying bye bye for now.